so we're here at the parking lot. Actually, the welcome center. Yeah. And we got this map, so we have to follow the map. Hi guys, welcome to Sanggumay Vlogs. So this is where we're going. I will show you. That's the bridge we are going on. There. And we are in Slade, Kentucky. This is another waterfall, but I don't think this is the one that we're going today. Some of the trails and some of the pictures. This is the Red River Gorge. It's beautiful here. Well, thank you so much. Oh yeah, so this is the one too. Safe campfire. Kung magka-campfire kayo. Oh, that's the Naida Tunnel. We're gonna pass that one, right? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Oh, tapos ito yung ano. Yung nakita nila dito. Mga ulo ng different animals, no? Ganyan pala yung ano nila, yung mga coyotes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, you always drop by here sa Welcome Center pag pupunta kasi magbibigay sila ng instructions, no? Hi. Ito yung labas niya.
East of the Rocky Mountains. Outdoor activities abound here, from
What's that,
hiking
Chan?
and climbing to canoeing, camping, and wildlife watching. It's a 2,200-acre park adjacent to the Daniel Boone National Forest. It features a 900-ton natural sandstone arch stretched across a mountainside. The park also offers viewers a chance to see high stone cliffs, stone arches, and rock shelters. Take shelter at one of the two campgrounds in one of the cozy cottages or at the Mountainside Hemlock Lodge.
What is it?
You have to choose one.
Welcome to Howell County, Kentucky. While you're here, step back in time at the Red River Historical Museum and view artifacts from the area's iron, logging, and railroad industries, as well as artifacts from the prehistory area. You may also view a reconstructed log schoolhouse, a wheelwright shop, as well as an impressive collection of millstones. The museum is located on Main Street in Clay City and is generally open weekends.
That's it? Kaya magpa-try kami daan tap na makita tayo di pagkalilan tayo. Alam na yung picnic area next, right? Naram sa tayo lagi di ba ini? This is the parking lot for the natural bridge here in Red River Gorge. So we're gonna eat first before we go up the trail, guys. Andito kami lahat. We're eating lunch. We got some pancit, Filipino pancit, and chicken apritada and rice. And we have drinks too, okay? Hi! Kain muna tayo guys para may lakas pag nag-hike. Woohoo! Bridge! Dada, udah ni Daddy. Uy, ada magayam. Wow, flowers. Oh, white flowers on the trail. Hi. Oh. Okay, let's go straight up. Pero nagarutis na sapa oh.
Parang bagyo din.
Bumababadan. Oh, banglo dia. It smells good. Hello, Adrian. Hi. Excuse. Ay, nani ko dad. Naudi. Hello. Samaat kami pa dyan nga to. Kisah kada ka dyan bagyo niya?
Kailangan na bagyaw.
Chan!
Ito yan eh.
So ayan, andyan na yung ano, Kentucky Natural Bridge. There you go. So we're gonna go from here. Pasang at. We're under the bridge, natural bridge. Pag na.
Just photo shoot.
Oh. Whew. Yay, we made it! Dito na tayo sa Kentucky Natural Bridge, guys. Dito kami dumaan sa ano, baba. Baba mismo ng bridge. So yun ang original pala na ano, route. May step siya. Ayan. Ito na. Pero bitiling at. There we go. Dito di apa di Bata Shiprock Trail. Oh. Ano kami to si Rock T Bridge, guys. Oh. That is the fat man's squeeze, oh. Naipot diya nga pang naantay kung kaya-kaya mo ito nakotol ka. Lumuso tayo dyan, oh. Nano kung magpirmihan niya makapag-nay dyan. Say hello to our vlog!
No, I was just gonna get
Hello!
one of these. There's a little air moving up here too.
Fresh air.
There's 2 more bottles of water and a Gatorade. Oh, nice. Oh, that's clutch.
Ha? Haan? Hi, Dad. Okay, where's Christian? Kauna-una ni Christian ako picture na. Kauna-una mo't gamin. Itibangay kami, oh. Christian, say hello to the vlog. Chan, say hello, babe. Hi. You walk fast, nak, ha? Ada signal to? There's a signal?
Yeah.
Oh, there is a signal. Okay. Ada signal ka, no? Entrance to ride back. Oh. Ay, no, bumaba tayo. Agar tayo video ako man ito eh. Gana dyan baba. Ay! Hi! Kumita kayo ito, oh. Kumita kayo dito. Hi!
Sige mo.
Sige. Hello! Where's our little boy? My love?
That's scary. Ayun.
Freaky at all? Come and ask you this parking lot. We're on the other side of the valley. Oh yeah, I guess it's not too bad.
Slow down. Naka-off na tayo i-off mo. We're here on the other side, guys.
Yeah, that's what he caught one. Now he's keeping it hostage.
It's like us. Hello, anak.
I'm telling you, we walk down there and I'm like,
So that is the natural bridge. Kentucky Natural Bridge there. What's the cliff?
you didn't mention the 2 chicks.
Cliff.
That's a different story.
Wow, ado tayo. Thank you, Lord. Tanya nagtudo. Nya? Yung magkanya nagtudo. Hello! So we're done visiting one of the arches. We visited the Natural Arch Bridge or Natural Bridge here in Kentucky. So we're gonna come again and visit the other areas. We're going to drive 1 hour and 55 minutes to home, okay? So bye-bye now. We're going to the Red River Gorge area. Pauwi na po tayo. So kaya yung dinadaanan natin. Thank you for coming. So
My freeway.
yeah, sana magustuhan po ninyo yung video natin ngayon. Thank you so much for coming along. Say hello to our vlog. Don't forget to hit the button for if you like it. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to our small channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Driver natin ang daddy. Yeah. Oh, we're so thankful to God pala kasi it's sunny. We are thinking we're gonna have to use our kapote today. Our poncho. We have like 6 ponchos for all of us. But we thank God that the weather is good. It didn't rain. See? Actually, the sun is out today. So, na-enjoy natin yung ating hiking. We enjoyed. We have good time. We ate our lunch. And on our way home, just dropped by one of the McDonald's to get some coffee. So thank you so much for watching. Bye! Bye! Dito po pala yung yung mapa na pinuntahan natin. If you want to see, ito ka, kasi natin. Ayan yung mapa niya, oh. Red River Gorge Geological Area. Dito, at dyan lahat yung mga arches. There's like 100 of them. So, I don't think you can see it all in one go. So, maybe you have to take like few days to be able to see all of the arches here in the Red River Gorge. So, if you plan to come here, you have to research about the area, and they have a lot of cabins, and also they have campgrounds if you go for tent. So just check, okay? They also have the River Gorges area where they are renting what is this, cabin rentals along the cliffs. So check the River Gorges.